Hi, grade 10 students, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about present perfect, the use of present perfect and adverbs of frequency. Do you remember the previous video we talked about the rule of present perfect and past participle? If you remember the rule of present perfect, we use subject plus has or have plus past participle. Today I'm going to talk about the frequency, adverbs, and the use of present perfect. When we use present perfect, we are going to cover this. We are going to cover it in 10 minutes, inshallah. Okay, let's go. Let's start. The first one, we use present perfect for an action that happened in the past, but whose results are obvious in the present. We mean the action happened in the past. The action happened in the past, but I can see the result right now. In the present, I can see the result. Look at this car. The car is very dirty. The car is very dirty. It's written on the car, wash me. It's written. As if the car asks us to wash it. Okay? And he is washing the car. He is washing the car. And the car is clean. Adam's car is dirty. He is washing the car. For the second picture. For the third, he has washed the car. I can see the result. He has washed the car. Okay, guys? Let's go to the second use. We use present perfect for an action that has just finished right now. Just finished it. Okay? Look at this example. He is eating. I can see the food. He's eating. For the second one, I can't see anything. It means he has just finished. Ali is having lunch. He has just had lunch. He has just finished his lunch. He has just had lunch. Can you see just in green? What's this? It's a frequency adverb. We use for this use, for the second use, which we mean that an action has just finished, and we use it between auxiliary and past participle. Okay? Time, expression, just. Guys, the third use, we use present perfect for an action that started in the past and hasn't finished it. Started in the past and hasn't finished it. Let's see one of the example. Look at this car. It's for sale in 2011 and sold. I bought. Okay. And now it's 2020. 2020. We bought the house in 2011. We bought the house. We bought the house in 2011. We still live in the neighborhood. Okay, we have lived here for 9 years. For how many years? For 9 years. 2011 to 2020. Now it's 2020, present. And we have lived here since 2011. I can see for and since. How can I use them? What's the difference between them? I'm going to talk about it. Since and for. Guys, for and since, both of them we use for present perfect. For is used for general periods of time. It's to express duration. It means I use for if I mean how long it was. How long it was. For 3 days, for a week, for several years, for 2 centuries. For how long? I don't mention a specific time, just the duration of time. And I use since for a starting point, a specific time. Since Monday. Since Monday. Starting time, starting point, Monday. Since 1997. Since the last war. Or since the day we met. Since yesterday. I mean, we use since for a specific time, for how long it was. Okay, the for we use present perfect for experiences we have or haven't lived. Okay, experience. Have lived or haven't lived. Guys, look at the examples. He has flown a plane, but he has never tried bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. He has flown a plane, but he has never tried bungee jumping. Have you ever traveled by plane? What do I have? I have never and ever. I use never in positive sentence, but it has negative meaning between auxiliary verb and past participle, and I use ever for question. For question. Guys, 5. I use present perfect for an action that happened in unspecific time. It means time is not clear. I don't know the time. Okay, look at this house. It's very dirty and tidy and clean. Then the children have tidied their room. The children have tidied their room. When? I don't know. Time is not important for me. Guys, the last two frequency adverbs which I'm going to talk about is already and yet. Already, we use already in positive sentence. I have already got dressed, and I use already between auxiliary verb and past participle again. Already between auxiliary and past participle. I have already got dressed, and I use yet in negative sentence at the end of the sentence. I haven't done my homework yet. I haven't done my homework yet. I use yet in the negative and at the end of the sentence. And in the question, has Sarah called yet? Again at the end of the question. It means already in positive, yet negative and question at the end. Okay. And what's the difference between have gone to and have been to? Have gone to and have been to. Let's see. Mary has gone to London. I miss her so much. I miss her so much. It means she's still there. She's still in London. Mary has gone to London and she lives there. She's still there. What about been? Have you ever been to London? She's in front of me. I asked her, have you ever been to London? Of course I have been to London a lot of times. It's such an amazing city. It is such an amazing city. It means we use have been to express someone gone and come back. Been to means someone gone and come back. Okay, I have been to, I have gone, and come back. Okay, let's do some practice. Make the present perfect. It could be positive, negative, or question. The first one. Guys, can you see? You keep a pet for 3 years. If we want to write this sentence in present perfect, first we have to write the subject, which is you. Then past auxiliary verb have or has. Then we have to change this keep to past participle. You have kept a pet for 3 years. How long? For 3 years. Okay, can you change this to since? If it's present, you have kept a pet since 2017. Since 2017, the starting point. Guys, you eat seafood before. Question mark. It means I have to use have or has. Have you eaten seafood before? Can you use one of the frequency adverbs here? Yes, of course, I can use ever. Have you ever eaten seafood before? It rained all day. Question again, has it rained all day? We not hear that song already. Uh-huh. We haven't already heard that song. Number 5, he not forget his book. He hasn't forgotten his book. Guys, thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.